Hello, today I'm in Seat Toledo. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side from the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Simply twist the top button on the lever to the left and now cruise control is enabled. Now accelerate to desired speed and you can simply let the acceleration pedal go. Also, we've got these two buttons right here. Thanks to them, you can increase the speed or decrease the speed. Also, if you want to cancel to the default speed you've set at the beginning, twist it to cancel. To turn off cruise control, set it to off. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.